Welcome to Joyland? Oh, I've got a bad feeling about this place. I'd pick up the pace if I were you. Ugh, not very magical looking, is it? More lasers. And another camera. You know what to do. Is that a rabbit?
That all you got?
Really now? A rabbit and a
Yes,
chick.
not that.
Are we a joke to you? Waste of eggs.
You know what? What a race! You feeling lucky? Yes, you are lucky.
Head back to the security checkpoint.
You know why they call me lucky? Because I never lose. Ike, you're pretty lucky too. Let's see how lucky you are.
Run! Well, aren't you popular? Remember when I said nobody liked you? Well, they can't get enough of you here. You might want to run inside now. That's pretty disturbing. The gate is securely locked, right? I think they're looking at you. No sudden movements. Maybe if you don't move, they can't see you. So creepy.
Systems offline. Zone 3 access restricted. Please restore power in Zone 2.
Hungry.
Great! Now there's a pig, too. Well, at least you only have to deal with this one. I had to deal with him my entire life. That pig looks pretty powerful. It's probably a good idea not to let it get too close.
Doesn't look like Beers had your back, huh, buddy?
Guys, why is he hitting that button? Guys?
Uh-oh, that ain't good.
I'm not really feeling the joy yet. How about you? Where are we? Some kind of processing plant?
Unauthorized intruder detected. Dispatching Joy Gang. Processor unit stalled. Reboot breaker switch to resume crusher function.
Buddy! You little freak! You ruined my mouth! You...
Squishy! Look what you did to my face! You made me ugly! Who's gonna take photos with me now?
It's another album!
That all you got?
You're making me angry!
What are you doing? Yes, it's not that.
Come on, buddy! You over there! Over there!
Hit the button. Crush them. Ha! Take that! Now that they are out of the way, find a way back up to the control room. Don't let that thing near you! How are you going to beat that thing? You need to find a way to finish it off permanently. Look, that vat of molten steel below. It might be our only... Death by fairy? I can't even mock you, it's too easy.
You
Don't let
got
that
to
thing
need a
near
lot
you.
more joy!
How are you going to beat that thing? You need to find a way to finish it off permanently. If you're dead, who's going to eat all this terrible pizza? Don't let that thing near you.
None of this junk!
How are you going to beat that thing? You need to find a way to finish it off permanently. Look, that vat of molten steel below. It might be our only hope. Maybe if you lie still and bleed for him, he'll sing you a song. Don't get that thing near you! How are you going to beat that thing? You need to find a way to finish it off permanently. Look, that vat of molten steel. It might be our only hope. Find a way to knock that thing in.
Self-destruct sequence has been initiated. 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 Self-destruct sequence. Self-destruct sequence has been initiated. Unauthorized collection of ring piece. 2-minute security lockdown initiated. Security is en route.
You're locked in!
I'm lucky to frickin' rabbit! Nobody is lucky! Nobody!
Self-destruct sequence has
Joey,
been initiated.
Take that!
Alive until the door opens.
I'm a You can't run forever!
Repeat. Self-destruct sequence initiated. Repeat. Self-destruct sequence has been initiated.
open.
This is not over!
Repeat, self-destruct sequence has been initiated. Repeat, self-destruct sequence.
Escape! Run!
Now we can get to know each other a little better. Let's see what horrors lie in that little brain of yours, shall we? That's better. I'll be stepping in for beers for this process. You don't mind, do you? Let's see what secrets lie in the dark recesses of your memory. You're not afraid of the dark, are you? Keep going. We're not done yet. Just a little further. A family home. How charming. Who's the cowering little girl? Your daughter. How interesting. Not the daughter you wanted, though. A defect. Damaged. The same as her mother.
I am getting sick of her public meltdowns. Why am I always being called out of work to deal with her, huh? From now on, you deal with her.
Deal with her? When do you ever do that? She's your daughter, you jerk. You don't spend any time with her. She's autistic and needs attention from a loving father. You don't even give her the bare minimum.
We both know she got it from you. You're the bipolar mess, and you passed it on to our kid. You happy? If I'd have known how messed up you were, I'd have never married you. Joke's on me, I guess.
Here we go again. Yep, that's all you ever say. Yeah, I know what you think of me. Sorry to ruin your life. All you really need is your money and your secretaries, right? Here we go again.
Why can't you just be normal?
You pretend we don't even exist. Even if you hate me now, Tammy needs you, and all you care about is your stupid work. Tammy could drop dead, and you wouldn't even notice. What kind of man are you?
All I know is, you two are sucking the joy out of my life. Sick of it. I don't need this garbage every single day. Yeah, I know. You don't want to hear it. You just want to hear that nothing is wrong with you, and it's all my fault, right?
They really killed the joy in your life, didn't they? That must have been a terrible burden for you. So you were not the best family man. Not much of a secret. This is small potatoes. Where's the real meat?
When are you going to deal with your wife?
Look, I said I'd take care of it. She's an idiot. I will get her out of the picture one way or the other. Just trust me and be patient, okay? Don't do anything stupid.
Your daughter is going to hate me though, right? That's going to be really awkward. Does she have to live with us?
Tammy is not the problem. Yeah, she's a messed up kid, but she won't get in the way. See, she's at that age where she doesn't like her mother all that much either. She'll side with me.
I hope you're right. I'm getting tired of waiting for you to keep your word. Remember, you promised me.
Oh, yeah? Well, how's that new car treating you? Just like I promised, right? So, I'll meet you at 8 tonight. Elise thinks I'm going out of town for a conference for 3 days.
Okay, but don't expect any monkey business in some hotel afterwards. You owe me a nice night out.
Till death do you part, eh? So much for wedding vows. I can't say I blame you. They were all upgrades, weren't they? There's no shame in indulging yourself. You only live once. Ah, now we're getting warmer. Doug Hauser. How pathetic. So this is what you really look like. Quite the contrast. Your soul looks so much younger. Is that how you see yourself on the inside? Must be the narcissism. Nice blood ritual. Did you look that up online? Quite a desperate act. What motivated you to do it? Was it the cancer? Or something else? Something more painful, perhaps? Tell me, Doug, what's really eating away at your soul? Why are you so full of regret? Show me. Ah, there it is. Let's go deeper and take a look, shall we? Well now, this is more like it. Don't back away, Doug. Come closer. What's down there in the water, Doug? A car. Is that them? Is that your family? How tragic. But why would you feel regret for that? You hated them, didn't you? Accidents do happen. You can't blame yourself for that. How? Unless... Was it really an accident? Did you have something to do with it, Doug? What did you do? It's time to wake up, Tammy. Your dear father has come all this way to see you. Ah, there she is. Ooh, I can see why you were so disappointed in her, Doug. Not much to look at. Below average in almost every way. It must have been embarrassing to call such a disappointing girl your daughter. After all, a man as great and accomplished as yourself deserves better. No. Am I wrong? What do you think, Tam?
You did this!
Go give your daddy a big hug. I think he wants to tell you how sorry he is. You're my puppet now, mortal. And I've got a job for